Hey, what's up guys? I'm excited to show you that these bottles we announced last week, they're now ready to ship. So if you're looking for a stylish, functional, and adjustable water bottle, pre-workout, this is for my pre-workout, and when I'm done with that, I'll probably fill it with water because I don't mind the taste, but some of you guys will just bring water, and full-on water bottle size. I have blue, I have red, and then of course matte black. You can't really beat that matte black. It really is a matte black. It's nice. They have these little mini carabiners so that you can collapse them when you're done. The lid is so secure, it's not gonna leak, and to open it, you gotta really pop it. So that's good because a lot of these cheaper ones, they don't leak. So when you get a good one like this, you're gonna really know. It stays suction closed when it's closed, right? So it's not gonna be extending on you. But you can put this in your gym bag. Takes up a very small space. I have bigger hands, but my hands pretty much hold the whole thing. Or you can leave it extended. It holds, there's a little markers, I don't think it shows on the video, all the way up to 500 milliliters. That's a full-size water bottle. And then you can collapse it and use it just for pre-workout if you want. What I'm gonna do is actually put my pre-workout in there, right? Just the powder. And then when I'm ready, I'll probably go over to the gym water fountain and just, whatever it is, pour it, let the water go in there, shake it up, and then that's a perfect size for your pre-workouts. Personally, I don't use a lot of blue, but it's kind of a category of clothing and attire I've been wanting to get into because blue is just so new to me, and I do like the color, but I've always been red and black, and I'm actually wearing it now, red and black, but if it were me, I'd buy one of each, maybe minus the blue. It just depends on your style, your outfit, your gym attire, maybe just get one, but I'm using the proceeds that we raised with this water bottle sale because we have 30 of each. Those are gonna go quick, especially locally. 30 of each, I'm using those proceeds for a new project that's coming up, and I'm really excited, just can't announce it just yet. So your support is super helpful, and I know you use a water bottle while you're working out or just through your daily life. Like if you're going through, this is a perfect bottle for hiking. Because it can collapse, or backpacking even, night trips where you're gonna save space. It's a durable material, I wouldn't take a knife to it or anything, but durable material. It's flexible, and then it collapses away. So if you're hurting for space because you're hiking or backpacking or at the gym, first things first is, regardless of the space-saving properties on this bottle, the coolest part is that people are gonna notice. Like, it looks cool and it feels cool. And then when you collapse it, this is definitely worth the Instagram post that you're about to have. But we have red, blue, and don't forget that matte black. These are coming at you quick. I'm gonna put a link where you can get these, but your support means everything, and I wanna be able to provide you with this kick-ass water bottle. But for now, see you guys.